Okay, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like we got a freight train here at the overpass. This is St. John's Boulevard, and I think actually that's a is it a freight? It's kind of lingering there, so maybe it's a passenger train. Maybe it's the EXO train. Yeah, that appears to be the EXO train heading into Vaudreuil. It's going to make a station stop at Cedar Park, right behind me. But there should also be a double stack pretty soon. We're on March 24th, 2026 at about 6:30 p.m.